So let's talk about it. I want to talk about the answer to a question that I've gotten a few times, and if you clicked on this video, you may also be asking yourself, and that's when is the best time to buy your saddle? The quick and easy answer that I would say is, just like anything that you're trying to learn or get into, the best time to buy a saddle was yesterday. Since you can't go back and redo yesterday, the best time at this point would be now. With that said though, I can't in good faith recommend anyone going into debt to get into anything, especially saddle hunting. Now, I made a video a while back talking about how much my saddle kit cost to get started. You can get started cheaper, but again, I would never recommend anybody going into any sort of debt to get started into saddle hunting. As far as the best time to get into saddle hunting, I would say, aside from maybe taking advantage of some holiday, Black Friday, Christmas sales, I would say that the best time would be now, here in February, March, when a lot of people are gonna have some extra money lying around with their tax refunds. So if you've got the money and you can afford to do so, you're not gonna miss that money for anything that's more important, like your mortgage or food or anything like that, then yeah, I would definitely recommend purchasing it. The other benefit to doing it this time of year is it is in the off season. And if there was any season that I would recommend getting into saddle hunting or starting anything new when it comes to hunting, definitely be in the off season so that you can practice, right? You can practice safely without having to worry about spooking deer, blowing your scent all over the woods or anything like that. Practice in the off season when the pressure is low on you. Give yourself plenty of time, right? Start in the winter and just practice all spring, summer. That way when fall hits, you're ready to go, you're practiced up, and you're confident going into the season with your new saddle. Another reason why I would suggest getting in the off season and practicing in the winter months is because you don't have the pesky bugs. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to learn something, being stuck on a tree, fumbling around, and then you've also got bugs that you're just having to fight. They're constantly getting in your face, getting in your nose, bugging in your ear. It's great when you can do it in the winter. The other benefit to that, in my personal opinion, is that you get to practice closer to hunting clothing, right? You're not in shorts, you're not in t-shirts, you're maybe in a layer, maybe two, you're probably wearing boots. So it's a little more lifelike and real-time training like it will be in the season. So that's gonna do it for me on this one, guys. Really quick little video on answering the question of when should I buy my saddle. I wanna get started, when should I buy? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. I love providing information that I have learned or discovered so that hopefully I can help somebody else out and keep them from making the same mistakes that I have. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.